Turning ready, okay?
Okay. So clear, confirm 36 left.
Yeah, 36 left.
Right clear.
Right clear, left clear.
Body to X-ray.
Yeah.
Okay. Line up, confirm.
Yeah, lining up and wait, 36 left.
Legs on your page.
Yeah, now.
Copy.
Cabin crew entering runway for takeoff. Good flight.
Weather my side.
Okay, before takeoff checklist is complete, Danny. Okay, stand by for... And now guys, fasten your seat belts because we are about to take off for Punta Cana.
Pullman 6008, wind 1505 knots, runway 36 left, you're clear for takeoff.
Danny, ready? Clear for takeoff, 36 left, Pullman 6008.
Ready?
Ready, Danny.
Vamos. Let's go. So time?
Time?
110 EPR. Fuera.
The control set?
Check. Autopilot, center command.
Left command.
124.23, adiós.
12423, Pullman 6008. Adiós, gracias. Left in command.
Okay.
Madrid, buenos días, Pullman Tour 6008, heavy body to X-ray.
Pullman 6008, we got contact, fly level 160.
Okay, climbing to fly level 160 for information, I read you 1.
Roger, Pullman 6008.
Okay, distance climb to fly level 160, Pullman 6008, heavy.
160
Pullman
set.
6008, I confirm, climb, fly level 160.
Climb fly level 160, Pullman 6008, heavy. Okay, 160 set, okay, Danny?
Check.
Standard 36, Charlie, you can
Climb one thrust.
Climb one, check.
280.
You hear okay or not?
Standard 60, Charlie, so we
Okay.
speed up 280
Oh,
knots.
not too good, eh?
Okay.
Little bit roughly. Not too good. Okay, next one is Celsius 40, 1000. Check.
Check.
Vale.
Pressure is okay.
Maybe in the turn I'm gonna do flap 5, okay? It depends of the altitude and the turn.
Okay.
It's not too hot, it's cold, but I will see.
225 accelerating.
Check. On the turn had to be 8000.
Yeah, 8000.
Flat 10.
Speed check. Flap stem.